Hey everyone, today let's talk about how to delete search history on your Facebook account. For this tutorial, we'll be using the Facebook app on your iPhone. Let's start this by opening the Facebook app, then log into your account. Next, tap the menu button at the bottom right corner. Tap your name above to go to your profile. Next, tap the three dots menu beside the edit profile. In here, look for the option Activity Log and tap on it. Find the Search History menu by swiping left on the highlighted text right here. Open the Search History option. Then in here, you can simply tap Clear Searches, or you can choose to delete it one by one by tapping the three dots icon beside the search history that you want. Then now tap Delete in the pop-up. You can also choose to filter it by tapping the Filter button above to narrow down your search. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.